10 million tokens. One context window. Meet the AI that reads your entire codebase at once. Pokee AI is a platform built from the ground up for massive context. 10 million tokens native, not patched. It handles entire repositories, research libraries, and multi-hour conversations without forgetting a thing. 10 million tokens. That's not a typo. Native capacity, not retrieval augmented. Let's put that in perspective. GPT-4o and Claude top out around 128 to 200K. Gemini 1.5 Pro reaches 2 million. Pokee hits 10 million, 50 times more than the closest competitor. PokeeResearch 7B is a specialized model fine-tuned for deep research. It reads all 10 million tokens, cites its sources, and synthesizes answers across massive document sets. The core models and inference engine are open weight. The platform APIs and hosted service are proprietary. You can run locally or use the cloud. Yes, Docker images and model weights are available for self-hosting. Full offline operation. Your data never leaves your machine. For the full 10 million token context, you'll want dual H100s. Smaller contexts run on far less. A single 4090 handles 1M plus tokens comfortably. Here's how agents work with this context. Ingest 10 million raw tokens, the agent plans the task, executes with tools and reasoning, then synthesizes a cited answer, all in one context window. Visit Pokee AI, sign up with GitHub or email. No waitlist. Instant access to the playground and API. You get $50 in free credits on signup, enough for roughly 500,000 tokens of inference. Try Pokee AI free at pokee.ai. 10 million context, no waitlist.